Hey everybody, it's Brian Bain with the Ramsey Group at Keller Williams Realty. I am here in the Westmoreland subdivision at the beautiful 17147 Lake Path Drive in Cornelius, North Carolina. This is just a wonderful David Weekley home. I can't wait to show you the inside of it, but everything about this home is immaculate, and I don't say that very often. I love standing in the rain just telling you about this house. I mean, that's how awesome this house is. I'm willing to get wet to explain to you how awesome this house is. So come on inside. Let's take a look at the stone front porch, the landscaping, the beautiful fiber cement color. Let's just go inside and take a look at it, okay? So you'll see as you walk in how stunning it is from the get-go. We have hardwood floors throughout the entire main living area and up the stairs. I'll show you in just a second. Recessed paneling wainscoting. This is something that even I haven't seen very often. How nice that is to see recessed paneling. Plantation shutters, crown molding. Everything about this house from top to bottom has been either updated or was like that. Look at the Pottery Barn fixtures and just how clean this place is. It's exactly how you would build a home, honestly, without having to spend the builder prices for it. Wonderful island into the kitchen. You can see the Pottery Barn fixtures again. Stainless steel appliances. Excellent castled countertop, cabinets with crown. Gas cooktop. Check out the pantry. I mean, it's not your typical, nothing's typical in this house. So like even the railings are the iron, the grates versus the wood trim in here. So as we come into the living room, you'll see, the stunning view, awesome windows, the mantle over the fireplace, the tall ceilings. I mean, everything about this, I'm just really, really excited to sell this home. Even something like this, like take a look in the laundry room and you'll see built-in lockers, if you will, a shoe. That was hand built all the way up for hanging up stuff as you come in, your mud room, cabinets into the laundry. There's even extra storage that he built in here where the light comes on automatically into the garage. The garage has built-in cabinets and some other things that are going to be staying for extra storage. This house has great storage. Also, master on the main. Half bath is here. And then as we come into the master on the main, real quickly to show you, there is a surround sound system in the living room and outside, which I'll show you in a minute, and that's the system that goes with that. Okay, look at this, plantation shutters into the bay window in the master. Wonderful fixture, just a great room all around. Hardwoods. This was another update. And then as we come into the bathroom, stand-up shower and tub separate. Plantation shutters in here. And then to this. This is something you'd see in a magazine. Custom closet. I mean, this was perfect carpentry. Everything has its place. Unlike my closet. But that's awesome. All right, so that's the kind of stuff you get in this house that you just don't see anywhere else. And while we're down here, let's go ahead and take a look outside because this is just something else that was done as an update. First of all, we come into the covered patio. Okay, so you can see the nice trim package here. Swing onto the stained deck. And then this was added. Look at the stonework here. All of this landscaping was added by the homeowner to create basically a sanctuary. I mean, there is nothing behind you. There's over 6 acres of undeveloped property behind you. And you come out here, I mean, look at this landscaping. There's irrigation I'm sorry, not irrigation, there's drainage dug coming down underneath to on the other side of this. You'll never have a water problem. It rained almost 3 inches last night, and there's hardly any water out here because it's all done perfectly. Pipes are going underneath that landscaping, so there's no issues with water. All right, let's go take a look upstairs. Upstairs, as we go up, we'll see, you know, the hardwoods on the staircase. This was an add-on as well. First thing we come up to is the office. This could be a bedroom. It's a wonderful sized room. Very clean carpet. Everything's meticulous. Has a great closet in here, so this could be an amazing bedroom. And that system will be taken down. French doors, forgot to bring that up. All right, and then we're gonna go to bedrooms 2, 3, and 4, or 3, 4, and 5. Every one of the bedrooms are perfect, great size, exactly what you'd want out of a guest bedroom. Hall bath. So this floor plan is also one of my favorites because there's a hall bath to service 2 bedrooms, and then you have the private suite with a great walk-in closet, okay, to its own private bath. And again, just everything is clean, tile. There's no shortcuts in this house. That's kind of the point I've been making throughout this video. I think you get. And then bedroom 4, or again bedroom 5, depending on if you use that office as a bedroom, to another walk-in closet. And on top of that, so even though we have 5 bedrooms or 4 in a bonus, then we have a step up to another bonus room. So just 3 steps takes you into this room. Windows overlooking the backyard again, just so you can see the privacy that you get here. So this is a great movie room, relaxing room, pool table, whatever you'd like. This is a dream, guys. 17147 Lake Path Drive in Cornelius in the Westmoreland subdivision. Highly encourage you to come take a look at it. Tell your friends. You might have some people that are looking to move into Cornelius. What a great opportunity. Everything about it is just a wonderful place to live. So hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching. And let me know if you have any comments. Again, it's Brian Bain with the Ramsey Group at Keller Williams Realty.